In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize reports in Jira. If you've ever tried to review sprint velocity, open a burn down chart, or pull together a delivery report in Jira, and felt like the reporting tools were harder to find than they should be, you're not alone. When important analytics are buried in menus, it can slow down planning, make forecasting harder, and interrupt your workflow. The good news is that Jira includes built-in reporting tools that make agile analytics much easier once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to the right project, open the reports area, choose the chart you want, adjust the key settings, and optionally place those reports on a dashboard for broader visibility. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site or sign in through the Atlassian login page using your own secure credentials. Once you're on the main Jira homepage, look for the Projects menu near the top of the screen. Click it, then choose the software project you want to analyze. This makes sure you're working inside the correct workspace before you start building or reviewing any reports. After your project opens, you'll usually see your board and the project navigation along the left-hand side. In that sidebar, find Reports and click it once. This opens the reporting area for that specific project where Jira keeps its built-in analytics and chart options. You'll now see a catalog of available report types. Depending on what you need, you might choose a velocity chart, a burn down chart, a cumulative flow diagram, or an issue analysis report like created versus resolved issues. Take a moment to select the report that best matches the question you're trying to answer. For example, if you want to measure sprint output over time, the velocity chart is a strong choice. Once the report opens, look at the controls above the chart area. Here, you can adjust settings such as the sprint, estimation statistic, or time frame. These options matter because they define how your data is displayed. For instance, you may want to measure velocity using story points instead of issue count, or limit the chart to the last few iterations for a more focused view. If you want to monitor reports across multiple projects in one place, use the Dashboards option from the top navigation. Select Create Dashboard, then choose Add Gadget. Search for the report or gadget you want, such as Sprint Burn Down, and add it to the dashboard so it's always easy to access. Finally, review the finished chart carefully. Check that the labels, values, and visual layout all look correct and readable. If you need to share the results, use the export or print option in the upper right area to save or distribute the report. That's it, and now you know how to build and manage Jira reports more confidently.